Hello, welcome. Today I have another ink video review for you, and this one is called Central Park Twilight. It's by Robert Oster, and I'll leave a link down below where you can find this if you end up liking this ink. So this is really pretty, or at least the swatches I saw of it looked really pretty. So we shall see. It should have some good shimmer in it. Okay, so far, very nice shade of blue. Trying to fill in all the gaps here. Okay. Put a little extra around the edge here. Okay. Okay, just move that. I'll show you how this looks so far. Pretty good. I'm going to put this under a fan to dry. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I've got some copy paper here, and we are going to shake this up because, yep, we still got all that glitter down there, or a shimmer, I suppose. Super pretty color so far. And I always test this out on copy paper. I'm sorry about that. I got a little out of order there. But anyway, I always test it on copy paper because you never know how it's going to perform. And also sometimes you might only have access to inexpensive paper. Maybe you're at work or at school or something, and you just want to see if the ink will behave itself on inexpensive paper. So that's why I do this. Alright, this is copy paper. Alright, there we go. That's how it's looking so far. Looks like a nice shade of blue. And then this is HP 32 paper. And HP 32 paper is also copy paper, but it has a smoother finish and tends to resist the ink or something. It makes it look really nice. Sometimes if there are special properties in the ink, you'll be able to see it on this paper. So I always like to try it out on here. It's a really good budget option if you don't want to buy the more expensive papers. Alright, there we go. And this is Central Park Twilight. HP 32. And just in case there's some shading, we'll draw some lines here. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, just leave a comment down below. If I have it or if I can get it, then we'll do a review video. Alright, and that's how that's looking so far. I'm going to set that aside to finish drying, and we will try this on some Tomo River paper. And Tomo River paper is great because it tends to, I guess, resist the ink, and it shows off all the special properties really well. So I always like to do a test on here also. There we go. And if you're enjoying these videos, if you like them or if you find them helpful at all, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. It also helps me out. There we go. We'll draw some lines here. Oh, this is Tomo River. I had a feeling I was forgetting something. Let's do curved lines. Okay, so far what I'm seeing from this color, it's really pretty, first of all. So I'm going to check on the swatch that we made and see if that's dry, and I'll be right back. Let me just show you how that looks so far. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So here is how the swatches came out. This is the copy paper. You can see it's a really nice shade of blue. It's like a navy, like a dark navy blue maybe. Very pretty, and it's got a little bit of that shimmer in there. And the shimmer is kind of a I'd say it's like leaning towards green, like a green or a teal green maybe. Very, very, very pretty. But when you see it on the HP 32, you can see the color is a lot richer. And there's a little bit of shading going on now. In the writing, you can see it. And in these little swatches here that I made, hopefully you can see the shimmer. Very, very pretty shimmer. I hope the camera picks that up. It's super pretty. And then here it is on the Tomo River. And now you see that there is so much more going on. There's some halo shading around the edge here. It's like a red sheen. Like almost maybe red, or I think that's red. It's hard to tell if it's red or purple. Very pretty. You still got that lovely shading, and that shimmer is so pretty. Again, I'm going to try to get the camera to pick up that shimmer. Super pretty color combination here. Anyways, very pretty. And then let me show you the swatch. And this will kind of explain what I'm talking about. So first of all, there's that beautiful shimmer. It is lovely blue shade. And right around here is that sheen, which, like I said, it's like a red or a purple or something. Very pretty. This is a super pretty color. So this ink kind of has everything going on. You got some sheen and shimmer and also some shading. Super pretty ink. And I hope you liked this video. I will leave a link for this ink down below if I can find a good place for it to buy it. And if you have any other questions or anything, just leave a comment. I like to reply to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.